Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S61 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system option. Then let's tap on reset options, which is at the very bottom of this list, and as you can see at the top we've got the option we are actually looking for, so reset network settings. Here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So we've got it in one package. Let's tap on reset network settings and of course confirm it with your screen lock. Here we've got the information that you cannot undo this action, so if you're okay with that, just tap on reset settings and simply wait. We've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset network preferences. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.